Someone sleeping here, living here, in the middle of the forest. So we are back on the road. Today we're going 20 kilometers each way. Again on the e-bikes. We are back in the forest. Up here, I was told that we might see some wild boars, so hopefully it won't be right on the road, but it looks nice up here. Nice little village up here. Can't see it, but up there's a glider gliding in the air. Okay, downhill, phone back in the pocket. So we're done probably 15 kilometers already. Whoa. Yeah, quite nice ride here. No obstacles so far. So all good. We'll see if we can find anything fun. There was one fun part down the hill, zigzags, that was quite fast. Even with this bike, I managed to get to over 50 kilometers an hour, so that was nice. So we just had ice cream, now we're gonna go more off-road. There we go, this is more like it. Off-road. There's heaps of fields and forests, so we're here. Ideal place to cycle. Ho 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 ho. Tractor tracks. There we go. Gonna catch him up. I can smell a freshly cut trees. Nice smell. Some sort of lake, probably a fishing pond. Farming season. So there's observation tower, and up there they're making their own drinks like beer and slivovica, and they have little farm animals up there, playground. It's a nice place to visit. So we're in a village. There's some interesting lights up here, the street lights. Never seen those before. Something different. Villages up here are standard. All of them look pretty much similar. Nice Jaguar. Up the hill, powered by electro. Yeah, it's real connection with the nature up here. All villages between the forests. Roads are not very busy, so it's not that dangerous to cycle. Rolling hills everywhere. Fields and fields of farming stock. There's a corn growing. Lovely. What's this? Beans? Maybe? So if you're hungry, there's apple trees. You can stop, pick an apple, wash it off, eat it. Quick carb intake. Perfect. There we go. Got this new cycling t-shirt. It's from Czech. I get to keep it. That's very nice. Some farming technique. Jedla sounds like eaten. A loose dog. That's not nice. That's a beautiful view up there. My battery is pretty much dying, so this might be the last shot of this ride. So total I think that is around 40 kilometers. Lovely. There's a deer on a field. There we go. It's hard to see what is there. Jo. Уже byl tam. So I am back into this abandoned forest. It's a nice view up here, especially from this spot. There we go. Someone built a bridge.